Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing a video on how I got this look, which is pretty much just a rosy prom inspired makeup look, since I know that prom is right around the corner for a lot of you guys, a lot of you girls. So yeah, if you want to know how I got this look, just stay tuned. Alright guys, so first I'm going to start off by priming my eyes. I am using the MAC Prep Plus Prime Highlighter. This is the color Light Boost. Once I go ahead and do that, I am going to be using the Mercier powder just to set that so that my eyeshadow doesn't go anywhere throughout the day. Alright, so first I'm going to start with the color So Cream from the Jaclyn Hill palette. And I'm going to apply it right over my crease with a blending brush. I'm also going to take the color MFEO as well and apply it right over the crease, and that's just going to create a very nice transition color. Alright, so once I'm done doing that, I'm going to take the color Pooter and I'm going to use a small pointed crease brush, and I'm going to pack it right onto the crease. Alright, so once I do that, I want to make sure to blend everything out using my blending brush so that everything looks nice and smooth. Alright, so I am going to be applying some concealer as well to the inner corners of my eyes, and that's just a nice trick to make your eyeshadow stick, and it's also going to make the color a little bit more vibrant. Alright, so once I apply the concealer, I am going to use the color Faint, and I'm going to be packing that color right onto my lid. I am using a synthetic brush. If you'd like, you can go ahead and wet it with Fix Plus. I didn't because I find that when I put the concealer, it works well enough. And as always, you already know the deal. Once applying that, you gotta make sure to blend that bad boy out. Alright, so once I've done that, I'm gonna take the same small crease brush and I'm gonna take the color Mocha, and I'm gonna apply right to the outer corners of my eyes. So it's pretty much just gonna be apply, blend, and it's just pretty much to build up the product. To make that color really dark, but you want to make sure that everything is smooth and seamless, so you want to make sure to keep blending while doing that. Alright, and then after that, I am going to be doing a wing liner. The one I'm using is the Revlon Color Stay Skinny Liquid Liner. Alright, and you already know the deal. I am going to be applying mascara. I am going to be using the They're Real mascara from Benefit Cosmetics. Alright, so I did apply my lashes off camera, but I did use the Ardell natural lashes. Foundation, I am going to be using the Estee Lauder Double Wear Stay in Place foundation. This is the color 3W2, which is Cashew. Please do not judge the savage way that I apply foundation onto my face. Okay, so to conceal and highlight, I am using the Nars Radiant Creamy Concealer in the color Custard, which is medium 1. I must say this has become my new favorite concealer. It's so long lasting, it's so creamy, and it really does not cake up on me throughout the day, so it's definitely my new go-to concealer. Alright, now to blend everything out, I am using a tapered brush as well as a stippling brush. I feel like the tapered brush is really good at packing the product on there. And the stippling brush really makes it look seamless so that I don't have any harsh lines. And of course, you already know the deal. Once I've gone ahead and blended that out with the same stippling brush, I'm going to use my Mercier powder, and I'm just going to make sure to set that so that it looks nice and smooth, and so that it doesn't go anywhere or get cakey. Alright, and of course, once I've gone ahead and done that, I am going to contour, and what is new, some things just don't change. I'm going to be using the Anastasia contour kit. This is the color medium to tan, and I'm going to use a fluffier contour brush because I don't want a contour that's going to be too intense. I want something a little bit more natural. So I am also obsessed with this brush. This is a contour brush. I love this brush to contour my nose. It's brush number 24 and it's from BH Cosmetics. This brush makes it so easy for me to contour my nose. It's not even funny. But you already know the deal. Once I've gone ahead and contour my face, just making sure to blend everything out because we don't want any harsh lines. Alright, so once again, I'm going to take that color Mocha from the Jaclyn Hill palette, and I'm just going to apply it on my lower lash line. Please excuse the terrible faces that I make. I just can't keep a serious face when doing this. And of course, I'm then just going to go ahead and apply a little bit of mascara on my lower lashes. Alright, and once I'm done doing that, I'm just going to apply some blush. I am using the Tarte blush, and this is the shade or color Paaarty. So I think this blush is going to go perfect with this look because it's so natural looking and very rosy. And now for highlight, I am using the Glow Sugar Kit from Anastasia's Beverly Hills. I'm using the color Butterscotch, and ooh girl, look at that highlight. Ooh girl, yep, you better work it. But yeah, you already know the deal. Once I'm done with that, just gonna use my fan brush to make sure everything is nice and blended and everything looks nice and smooth. Alright, and lastly for my lips, I'm going to be lining them with a nude lip liner. The one I'm using is from MAC and is Boldly Bare. It's one of my favorites. And once I'm done doing that, I'm going to go in with the Tarte lip color. This is Lacy. And then I'm just going to go over it with some lip gloss. A trick that I do like to use is just putting a little bit of highlight on my lip. I just find that it makes it look really nice. Okay guys, so thank you so much for watching this video. I hope that you guys liked it. Please don't forget to check out my other social media such as Facebook, Instagram, Twitter. And yeah, that'll be it for today. Please don't forget to subscribe if you like this video and for future videos. Bye!